Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. So in this video I am going to do the unboxing and show you what's inside the box of A26, the Samsung new released, which is the beautiful phone they made. The design is very nice as compared to the previous phone. So let's do the unboxing of. So let's start from the box. Boxes as usual they make a standard size. Is with the same quality and everything. So I have A16, which they released I think before this phone. I'm not sure the exact date, but yeah, I have that box, so you can see the box is very identical to the one of the similar phone. I have A16, so let's unbox this one. Okay, so here we go. So we have the Samsung pack with as normal same jack, and let's open this. I expect a cable as normal. Yeah, there's a cable, nice quality one cable. They give USB-C, Type C, and then some paperworks, or you can say manual, and all the kind of formalities they have to do. So we'll come to the main package, which is the phone. Let's take this out. So the black color and the shiny and very nice, I would say, is a really nice looking phone, a very good looking phone. You can tell as well, like iPhone 16 or iPhone 17 is very look like as well. So from the sides, there is a very identical phone, but they always keep changing a bit of locations. Sometimes they have to maybe increase the battery. So very similar to the A16 as well, except the design of this, the camera, they put 3 cameras, 1 flash, and the look of this phone and the camera, the way they made is really, I really liked it. So the sides are a bit matte finish. So we have the volume button and the unlock button. So the back of this phone is not fully glass, it's like a plastic glass. I have here on the other side A34, which I'm gonna compare with this phone, a very quick comparison. So you can see the A26, it a bit like a wider than A34. And if we look at from this side now, and it's also a bit smaller as well. It may be because the edges are very square on the A26 than A34. So you can see now from the bottom is equal, and from the top is tiny bit. A26 is bigger. Let's turn this on. Samsung new phone. I really liked the back is not glass. Glass is like a mix of plastic, I would say. Yeah, it's kind of good that you're not gonna break it straight away, like, you know. So in that way it's a bit stronger as well. As so the bottom is Type C, and there's speakers on the side. So we have to set up the phone very quickly here. So the setup is all same. In the meantime, let's open this, the case I got. from a local shop because I have to make sure this phone is nice and clean from the back. So let's put it on. So the guy gave me a MagSafe one. I know you all gonna be looking at, is this phone wireless charging? So you all are right, it's not, but I think that's the guy have it over there in transparent one, so I got it. Looks good, why not? So we are in the phone now. The phone is very similar because they just released the recent update of this kind of color. But yeah, I can see it's a bit like a quicker or responding wise, and the brightness and everything else is very similar to the other one, the all the other or the recent Samsung phone they released. So if you like this video, make sure to like, subscribe this channel, and let me know in the comments below which other phone you want me to do unboxing video or review of that phone. So I'll make sure I'll make a video on that. Thank you very much for watching. I'm sure you're having a great day.